The truth is, most people only use their phones for social media, messaging, and watching videos. But thanks to AI, because your phone can now do much more than that. In fact, you don't need 10 different apps, you need a few genuine tools that change how you work and think right from your pocket. And so, in today's video, I'm going to show you the must have AI tools that can help you save time, work faster, and learn new skills and become more productive. And these aren't random apps, they are tools that millions of people are already using every day. So let's start counting them. First, let's talk about the Everything Assistant. Instead of using basic search engines, tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini on mobile have evolved quite a lot. They are now full multimodal. That means you can take a photo of a mess, real world problem like a broken office printer or a hand-drawn diagram and literally talk to your phone out loud to troubleshoot it in real time. It's like having a tech support engineer working with you. So that's two apps. But what if you need absolute accuracy? If you are researching on the move, standard AI can hallucinate. That's where citation-first search engines like Perplexity comes in. They don't just guess. They read the web and give you a clickable source so you know the data is real. Combine that with a system level tool like Grammarly integrated into your keyboard, and you can instantly fix the tone of a critical email while walking to a meeting. That also two apps. Well, for the creative side, mobile AI isn't just about making fun avatars anymore. Native mobile integration in apps like Canva lets you swap objects or remove backgrounds cleanly with a single tap. And if you are drowning in chaotic thoughts, running Notion AI on your phone takes your messy, whispered voice notes and instantly structure them into a clean, actionable project tasks. So that also two apps. So guys, the real secret to AI on your phone isn't downloading everything you see. It's picking two or three trusted, secure tools that fit your data flow. Stop paying for the hype, guys. Use what actually saves your time and let your phone do the heavy lifting. Guys, see you in the next one.